Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a coconut milk fish curry, and for this recipe I'm using whiting fillets. So this is quite a cheap type of fish. In a large pan I'm going to add some oil. So heat up some oil in a large pan and then add one large onion, diced onion, and then cook the onion for about 1 minute. So cook the onion for about 1 minute until the onion is nice and starting to smell good. Our onion is looking good, and now it's time to add garlic. So I'm using about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic that I diced. Just roughly chop them. So I'm adding garlic now, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and then I'm going to mix through the onion and the garlic. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes again. And now I'm going to start adding some of my spices that I like. A teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, and then a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, then a teaspoon of turmeric. Just remember guys, you can use whatever spices you like, but these are the ones I like. I'm going to mix through these spices. I can add a little bit of oil just to make sure the spices are cooking nicely. I'm gonna cook the spices until they are fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of curry powder. A tablespoon of curry powder, and then mix through and cook for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding a bit of capsicum, half capsicum, and then cook for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to add about 2 large tomatoes that I've diced, and I'm going to cook these tomatoes until they start to break down. So to make sure they are breaking down, I'm going to add a little bit of water in the process of cooking these tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit of water so that my mixture does not burn. So a little bit of water, just a little bit, and then get the tomatoes cooking. I might need a little bit of water again, but I'm just gonna cook and try to squash these tomatoes. Yeah, I'm adding a little bit of water again so that the tomatoes can cook. While this is cooking, I can add a little bit of salt. So this is how it looks. I'll cook these tomatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm adding a little bit of water to bring my sauce together. Now I've got a can of coconut milk. I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk, and I'm going to mix it through into my sauce and then bring to boil. Now I'm going to bring this to boil, and then I'm gonna add the fish. Like I said in the beginning, I'm using the whiting fillets. So I'm adding the fish. So I'm using 5 fillets of fish. And I'm going to dip them into my sauce so that they cook nice and even. Now I'm going to simmer on low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. The fish is looking nice and good. I'm going to just shake the pan to make sure that it's cooking evenly. I'm adding parsley just for garnish. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.